Oh, she got some pretty hair. Oh, look at that transition. She looks so cute. Okay, so we starting off with paint. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that. They do the transitions so smooth. That's the goal. That's what we're working on. So we are going on a makeup artistry journey together. I didn't do too bad. Let's see if we can find another one. Yeah. Oh, look at the inspiration. You see it? Okay, we're going right in with the outline. Oh, I love her paint. Oh my goodness. That is such a solid black. It look oddly satisfying too. Oh my goodness. She doing such a good job. Okay. So we really trying to take this all the way down. Oh, yes, we did. Oh, it's so pretty. Gold dust. Oh my God. Yeah, you gotta take a break. She probably been at this for hours. Okay, now we're covering up our eyebrows. Concealer. I love concealer, but oh my God, look at the jewels. I wonder how long did it take her to do this. This is so unique. Look at the drips. Hat off to you, queen. That's beautiful. So you guys let me know which look that you like. Number 1, number 2, or number 3. All right, until next time.